Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Classic Yoruba TV. Today we are going to take a look at some of the talented Yoruba Nollywood actresses who once graced our screens but have since taken a step back from the acting scene. Join me as we reminisce about their memorable performances and explore what they are into. Shola Sadeko, a Nigerian film actress, filmmaker, and director. She is popularly known as Abeni for her lead role in Abeni, a 2006 Nigerian film produced and directed by Tunde Kelani. She acted in a number of movies before taking a voluntary exit from the movie industry. To date, nothing is heard regarding Shola Sadeko. Despite her off-screen presence, Shola continues to be a revered figure in the world of Yoruba cinema. Juwon Adewunmi Olajuwon was bred in Lagos, where she also attended primary, secondary schools and University of Lagos, where she graduated with a degree in business administration. She was popular for her roles in movies like Wendy, Nurse Oyinda, and a host of others. Before going incognito, she was on top of her game, adding flavor and extra glamour to the Yoruba movie industry. She's presently based in the US as she's married to a white man. Funke Adesina is a Nigerian actress, movie producer, and politician. She is popular for her roles in Nollywood Yoruba movies. She started out as a model at a very young age. Before she ventured into acting, the movie Obinrin Ale and Okiki Aje brought her to limelight. She was a personal assistant to First Lady Aisha Buhari on domestic and social events. Taiwo Aromokun, she's a Nigerian actress and producer. She graduated from Lagos State University with a degree in banking and finance. During her active years on screen, she was mostly paired with Odunlade Adekola, where the duo excellently delivered their roles. She's currently based in the UK. Yeah, their faces strike a chord, right? Definitely it does. This identical queen during their active years in the Yoruba movie scene gave us jaw-dropping storylines and likewise embodied their roles so well. The Adepeko twins have taken a step back from acting to focus on other things. And there you have it, folks. 5 talented Yoruba Nollywood actresses who have left a lasting impression on the industry. While they may have stepped away from the acting scene, their contribution and legacies continue to inspire generations of fans and aspiring actors alike. Join us next time for more exciting content. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for updates. Until then, take care and stay tuned.